Hello, welcome to Sunday Farm. I'm Stephen Watson. This is today's Tàijíquán Tip. The neighbor's doing some kind of construction work, so the audio might not be great. But today's tip is to practice your Tai Chi Chuan closer to how you truly are, and less in the ordinary ways that we find ourselves able to be. So for me, for example, this means practicing without my glasses, because this is really how I am. The glasses help me be how I can be. It's pretty easy. But for you, it might be I'm almost always in a hat. No hat. Maybe no hair tie. Maybe no bra. Maybe no shoes. Maybe no hearing aids. And the idea is just to allow you to practice your art in a way that is a little more clearly providing you the experience of yourself as you are, and less as you come to consider your view of the world, your experience of your art, your experience of yourself. And so I could do it without a shirt, I could do it without shoes, I can change the clothes I'm wearing or something, but the idea really is like, what is something that's um, with me every time I practice? So for me, that's my glasses, right? For you, it might be a hat or a hair tie or something like that. It might be without your perfume, and it might be something along those lines, like a scent. So make a change and see if that gives you a different perspective on the world, on yourself, on life, on your art. Thank you very much. Always appreciate you. And stick around for me begging for your support. Thanks. Pointing your smartphone's camera at these QR codes will lead you to places where you can help. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.